So this is Pont Vecchio. This is famous for the jewelry shops that are there. Those are there in both sides of this bridge. This is basically a bridge, so we are walking over a bridge, but it doesn't look like that because in both the sides there are jewelry shops, original gold shops. You see? And from here we can see that's a bridge. So this place is called Piazza Michelangelo. So from here we can see a 360 degrees view of the Florence city. There are several viewpoints, and yeah, the Florence city from here really looks beautiful.
I got Lily and Zoe. I meant where's Melina?
She walked down to the end.
So this is Michelangelo's David, but it's a replica actually. The original one, made with marble, is kept at the Accademia Gallery in the center of Florence city. This place where I'm standing now is located above a hill, and you can see the Tuscany area, all the mountains surrounding the city of Florence from here to there. Now it's summer, so weather is of course hot, but yeah, this place is very beautiful. And there's the cathedral and the bridge where we will be going next to see the jewelry shops and different vendor shops that's situated just over the bridge, and it's also a very popular tourist attraction over there. That's the one. And these are the kind of binoculars. If you have to put coin and then you can use it, but you have to put €1. So I prefer viewing it with my naked eyes. And all of these fridge magnets are for sale. This is another famous square in Florence, Basilica di Center across the Florence. And I'm roaming around in scorching sun, scorching heat. But videography is important because after a few years, this is what will remain with me.